Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Discord not sending verification code. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So the first method that we have to try is to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes the email may end up in your spam or junk folder, so make sure to check those. Method number 2 is to resend the code. If you haven't received the code, click the resend code option and wait a few minutes for it to arrive. For method number 3 is to use the correct email or phone number. Double check that you entered your email address or phone number correctly, without any typos. Method number 4 is to use Discord web or app. If you're using the app, try switching the Discord website or vice versa and request the code again. And for method number 5, which is the last one, is to disable VPN. If you have a VPN running, turn it off, as it can sometimes block the delivery of verification codes. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!